Bewick's chicks hatched. Here's the mom feeding the nestlings. She catches many interesting insects from around the property. Here she removes a nestling's fecal sac. It's like a diaper, providing parents with a self-contained structure that allows them to remove the smelly stuff from the nest. It's a way of getting rid of all this material that might otherwise smell and decompose, attracting unwanted attention. The mom will continuously search for food all day. Time to feed another baby. She also sits on them to ensure warmth and proper development. Day 1 going smooth so far. The nestlings are fed and happy, and so is mom. Soon the next generation of wrens will take flight into the urban chaparral.